Hello students, now I am going to start the sixth chapter and it is the challenges of cultural diversity. And in this chapter, the challenges of cultural diversity, we will study that India is a country of a big and great biodiversity and as well as the different forms of the diversities. And due to the presence of this big diversity in India, there are many problems and sometimes critical conditions and situations are creating and many governments, either these are the state governments or the central governments, as well as the scholars, philosophers and thinkers or social reformers, always taking these problems in a serious way or in a form of social problem. Means due to the presence of challenges and problems that are based on the cultural diversity, these are a barrier for the socialization, for human beings development, as well as these problems, these challenges also restrict the social development of the human beings. So we will discuss about all these challenges and problems that which are generated due to the cultural diversity. Now we are just going to start the topic with a very introductory form, and introduction is just starting from the our Indian society and its culture. It is not too tough for you that India has the great diversity. Either it is the diversity of the languages, diversity of the geographical features or physical features, diversity of the biomass or the living beings, diversity of the plants, diversity of the animals, diversity of the climatic conditions in different regions of India, diversity of culture, diversity of languages, diversity of customs, rituals, diversity of the food material, and all the edible things which are used by human beings in different parts of the country. So, at last, when we are comparing India with other countries of the world, then we will easily found that India's diversity is very big and large, and this type diversity is not found in any other country of the world. And it may be that you know very well that in the UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, which are especially based on a very special or a critical monument, a very special and critical place, or anything that is very different and critical or have the biggest diversity in the world, these places or these buildings or anything, these are included in the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. And it is surprising that India's many geographical regions, especially the national parks or the regions like Western Ghat of India's Western mountain range or Western coastal area, or the Sundarban Delta in West Bengal, the region or place of Uttarakhand, Chamoli, that is known as the Nanda Devi, same as many India's physical features or the very big diversities places. have included in the World Heritage Site. Why is this? Because these places acquired a large diversity of the animals, flora, fauna, and sometimes these places also include the cultural and geographical diversity. So it is very common that when we move from north to south in India, means as well as we go from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the south, then region by region, state by state, we will see the all the diversities, either the diversity or the changes in the languages, the geographical structure or feature, or the people's behavior, their customs, rituals, and I have told you before that languages, these are continuously varying from north to south, as well as, or in other hand, all these diversities are again varying from west to east when we move from Gujarat to northeastern states, Assam or Arunachal Pradesh. You can easily imagine and compare that the cultural diversity or physical diversity or linguistic diversity of Gujarat is just opposite and differ from the cultural, geographical, linguistic diversity of Arunachal and Assam. And due to this big difference or great difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, it is obvious that people who are living in Gujarat or people who are living in Arunachal Pradesh, they are not same in different basis. Their languages are too much different that no people of Arunachal Pradesh can understood or understand the language of Gujarat. Means Gujarati is total different from Assamia or any uh, mountainous local language of Arunachal Pradesh. Same as you will see that cloth materials and other ornaments or means of you can say decoration in Gujarat, these are totally different and just opposite from these things are using in Arunachal or Assam. So it is very easy to understand that India's diversity is very larger and very expanded form, and especially in this chapter that is related to the cultural diversity. And culture includes, perhaps you know or not know, I don't know, but culture includes the rituals, customs, the way of lifestyle, and the things or all the behaviors of daily uses. Means culture is not only the few things, but culture is a set of a large number of the behaviors, customs, rituals, and objects. And ultimately, we can say that culture is the way of lifestyle that a particular ages or particular time period people of any area are using or taking place.